Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you have a man in your life with a beard and you want to pamper him, then you need to get him this beard care kit. He's going to love it.
This is the upgraded beard grooming kit from XIKEZAN with everything you need to help keep your beard looking good and feeling good. It comes with a beard wash, a conditioner, beard balm, 2 sets of beard oil, as well as all these extra little accessories. You get a brush, a comb, these great trimming scissors, and a little carrying case for everything to go in. My husband recently started growing out his beard and he is really trying to find the best way to care for it, and he absolutely loves this kit. He loves how the balm feels and how well it works to calm down all of the frizzy hairs that sometimes stick out, and he absolutely loves the brush that it comes with. I am a huge fan of him having a perfectly groomed beard, and I was so happy to get him this kit, and I'm so happy how much he loves it, which makes me love it too.
So if you're looking for a really great beard care kit, this one is absolutely amazing. You are going to love it. And that's my point of view.